from the rising of the sun. 1, 2, from the rising of 1. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The last video we learned the intro, the main chord progression for the Adonai. Adonai. So we're going to continue from the rising of the sun. So let's start from the beginning. If you can recall. Now from the rise, so we can take a look at the notes. That means we are going very high. We need to find the notes that we can get. So it's in this. The La is on the first string for this part. So if the F helps us to get the La note. Rising of the sun to the certain of the sea. But this is not part of the tutorial. We are looking at the chords. It's also the F, that means the fourth chord. The rising of the sun. Then 1 to the certain, the A minor, that's the 6. The same G, that's the 5. The D minor, that's the 2. Your name is to be hallowed. So let's go again. From the rising of the sun. 1, 2, from the rising of 1. Then to the certain A minor, the same G to the certain of the sun. So let's start from the rising of the sun to the certain, from the rising of the sun to the certain of the same. Then the other part. Your name is to be hallowed. Your name is to be hallowed. So your name, D minor, E minor. So just like your name is to be Adonai. So your name is to be hallowed. Again, from the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so I'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you. See you next time.